Alright, we're going to talk about GCF. GCF stands for greatest common factor. Greatest common factor is trying to figure out what is the biggest number that will multiply into two numbers. So let's say you have the numbers 14 and 21. You want to figure out what is the biggest number that will multiply into both of those numbers. Well, let's take a look. Let's see if we can do. Look at that. The first thing you have to do is you have to make a factor tree. You want to figure out all the factors of these. You could just guess and keep guessing, but there's not much room for guessing in math, and guessing leaves a lot of room for error. So let's switch over to factor trees. Make a factor tree for 14, 2 times 7. Make a factor tree for 21, which is 3 times 7. So let's list out those factors. 2 times 7, 3 times 7. Now, with GCF, we're going to play Go Fish. Okay? The 14 asks the 21, hey, do you have any 7s? 21 says, sure, and then make a pair. 14 says, hey, do you have any 2s? 21 says, nope. 21 says, hey, do you have any 3s? 14 says, nope. So we're left with 7. We're going to label this. Our GCF is 7. That is the answer for that. The GCF of 14 and 21 is 7. Because 7 will multiply into 14, and it will multiply into 21. And it's the biggest number that will do that for both of them. Let's go on, let's take another example. Let's say we'll have the numbers 24 and 56. Well, the first thing that we have to do is we have to make factor trees for both of these numbers. Let's break down 24 first. 24 broken down, let's say 2 times 12. 12 broken down is 6 times 2. 6 broken down is 2 times 3. Now we have to break down 56. 56 broken down is 7 times 8. We can't break down 7, but we can break down the 8. And you'll see I'm running out of paper, so my tree is going to go a little bit off to the side. What multiplies into 8 is 4 times 2. 4 breaks down into 2 and 2. Let's write out all these factors. For 24, we have 1, 2, 3 2's. 2 times 2 times 2. And then we have a number 3 times 3. For 56, we have, and it's much easier if you list these in numerical order. If you don't, life goes on, but if you do, it'll make life easier for you. We have 1, 2, 3 2's, and then we have a 7. Let's look for pairs. We have 2, 2, 2, no extra 3's, no extra 7's. We just played Go Fish. 2 times 2 times 2. Now, we have this number 2 times 2 times 2. That's not the final answer. The final answer is to multiply all these numbers together. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is our GCF because 8 is the biggest number that can multiply into both 24 and 56 without having to use an extra number. It's the biggest number that will go into both 24 and 56. Let's take a look at one more set of numbers, excuse me. Let's take a look at 13 and 7. Okay? Let's do our factor trees. 13 doesn't break down. 7 also doesn't break down. So we're left with the factors 13 and 7. Well, there's nothing in common there when you try to play Go Fish. So what's going to happen is you got to remember that all numbers can always be multiplied by 1. 1 can multiply into 7, 1 can multiply into 13. Because there's no other matching numbers, the GCF is 1. That's what happens when you have no numbers, no prime numbers in common.